everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about dry shampoos, and I have both of these. I'm sure you probably seen it in my last video. Y'all can see that. There we go. We have the Bestie. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is a dry shampoo for dark hair, and it says no white residue. We're gonna get to the reason why it has no white residue. And this one is Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Dry Shampoo, refreshing, unscented, fragrance free. So I guess this is gonna be a little review on these, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it works. Well, at least one of them, how one of them works. Okay, so this one, I guess I found this one at the store. Actually, I got this one first because I know Not Your Mother's products, so I'm familiar with their stuff. And so I just wanted to try a really good dry shampoo. I kind of do like this. The residue, as you can see, is white, but that kind of doesn't bother me. It does get rid of the oily buildup, and I'm sure you guys see that my hair is oily right now. So this one gets rid of the oily buildup in your hair, the oils in your hair. This usually happens within 5 days. It really depends on how I straighten my hair, like the prep before straightening my hair, how fast I would get buildup. And then I'll start to use this. I think this is on week 3 hair, so I haven't washed my hair in 3 weeks. However, I'm about to wash it because I'm about to go and get a trim, and it just needs to be washed. I'll give y'all the backstory on that in the next video. This one I bought because it said, I seen reviews on it on social media, and it said for dark hair. Now when you spray this on, like how you get white residue with this one, you get brown residue with this one. This is for dark hair because, you know, we have brown hair as dark girls. Most of us have brown hair, but the only thing I don't like about this is that the brown residue really shows. It will show on your clothes, it will show on your hands, rubbing your hands, because you know sometimes we do that and you'll see it on your hands, it'll get under your nails. So I just stopped using it. I do like the fact that it matches my hair color, and yeah, I like the fact that it matches my hair color. I just don't like the fact that it gets everywhere. So I don't really use this anymore. So I'll be showing you guys how my hair looked with the Not Your Mother's dry shampoo.
Right here I am showing you the first spray. When you spray it on, it definitely comes on brown colored. It smells really good but very strong. Usually this stuff you will see it in your scalp, and you can see it on your clothes, under your nails, on your hands. That's why I don't use it. Y'all, I have a little bit of gray on my edges, so that is not the spray, that's just my hair. I just want to make y'all aware. Right here I am parting my hair the way I want it when it is finally styled, and then I am going through my hair and detangling it and getting rid of any tangles or shedded hair. Right here I'm showing you guys how oily my hair is. You can kind of see the shine in it. That's all natural oil that built up over time. Right here I'm showing you guys the Not Your Mother dry shampoo, and I'm shaking it up and going throughout my hair and spraying it where I feel like it's most oily at, which is normally anything that's on my scalp. So I just kind of touch and feel where it feels very oily at, and I'll spray it there in that section.
Okay, y'all, so I sprayed it in my hair. I'm gonna let it sit for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And I'll show you guys the finished results. By the way, this dry shampoo is new for me. When I started straightening my hair in 2022, back straightening my hair in 22, that's when I started using it, because I found out about it when I wasn't straightening my hair, and I was like, maybe that would help with the longevity of my hair, like especially if I have to go out somewhere, a night out, and I didn't have time to wash my hair. Like, I have 3 kids, so sometimes I just stay really busy, and I work and I do other things, and so this would be a quick fix until I wash my hair.
After I let it sit for 2 minutes, now I am distributing the dry shampoo throughout my hair, especially on the roots, so it is less oily, and it is less oily. It feels really good, very fluffy, a lot more volume. I really like this product.
Okay, I think that I am done. Do it still look as oily as it did?
I wanted to let y'all know this stuff can be very drying, so I do not style my hair as in using heating tools, because it is that dry and I don't want to cause breakage. But this is the finished result, and I hope you guys like it or notice a difference.
Okay, so this dry shampoo usually lasts me like, I'll say probably 2 days. Some people use this 2 or 3 times before their next wash, well, before they have time to wash their hair. I would normally use it only 1 time, and I rarely ever use it because, I mean, right now my hair doesn't feel that bad, so it's actually not that bad. You know, like if I'm going out, I'll probably use it. I may use it 1 time before I actually can wash my hair, but this is really not that bad, to be honest. It gives me, it's a little more volume, so I'm really liking that. It's not like flat to my head or anything. I wish I could see the back, but this is not that bad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.